why I wrote a book about bicycle flipping for new real estate investors. Number one, real estate investing is very complex, so I use game theory to simplify the process for you so you could win. Number two, you make money today while learning not only bicycle flipping, but the real estate investing game. Simply put, I was tired of my students just learning and learning without making money, so I created the new flip so they could make money today while learning bicycle flipping and real estate investing all at the same time. Number three, the new flip teaches my students the art of motivated sellers. And more importantly, it teaches them how to identify non-motivated sellers from motivated sellers. Why is that important? They can use that skill and bring it into the real estate investing business, because the business about real estate is all about motivated sellers. Plus, you're able to use the skills of motivated sellers and identifying them and use it for any other business that you ever want in the future. From bicycle flipping, motorcycle flipping, car flipping, buying yachts, buying boats, whatever you could imagine. The skills that I'm teaching you in New Flip, you can carry it over for the rest of your life. The next reason why I wrote the book for real estate investors is to change their morale. Once they do one deal on the bicycle flipping, it's going to make them a believer. It's going to change their attitudes. It's going to make them feel a lot more motivated to go out there and hustle and bustle because they already did one deal. So simply put, I help them by step so they can reach their goals without them getting disappointed. The next reason why I wrote the book is it teaches anyone how to start a business for just $100 without debt or a credit card. Again, it teaches you creativity versus borrowing money. Next, and this is pretty important, it teaches you how to find deals or leads totally for free without spending money in marketing. That's right, over 20 years of experience, I'm letting you download my creativity and imagination to generate leads locally in your backyard without spending any money in marketing. You can use the same exact skills that I teach you to find real estate deals or any other kind of deals you want from motivated sellers in the future. The next reason I wrote the book, because it teaches you the art of negotiation. It teaches you how to buy anything for 10 cents to 50 cents on a dollar. Why is that important? Well, negotiation is a very good skill to have when it comes in real estate or anything else in business. And I teach it to you exactly live how to do it. Another reason I wrote the book is because the new flip will teach you how to inspect the property. Just like real estate, when you buy a property, you need to inspect it. Well, flipping bikes, when you buy, you need to inspect it. As you can see, the skills you learn from real estate investing and the skills you learn from flipping bikes are literally the same. The next reason I wrote the book is it teaches my students and it teaches you, once you buy the property, like the bicycle in this case, how to turn around and resell it, and the importance of staging the property and how it's going to help you resell it. Just like in real estate, when you buy a property, if you're doing a rent to own, if you're doing Airbnb, if you want to rent it, you have to learn how to stage it and take proper pictures. In this book, I go over all that information, totally included. Another reason why I wrote this book, and this is very, very important, is because the new flip has a very fast feedback loop. So if you're doing something wrong, you know it immediately. Where in real estate, you can do something wrong for years and not know it and not make any money and go belly up. So the reason I wrote the new flip, which is flipping bicycles for real estate investors, is because when you do a wrong action, there's a fast feedback loop which decreases your learning curve, which simply puts, you learn a lot faster, because it's like putting your hand on the stove. You quickly get a feedback that, oh, I shouldn't do that. Where many people fail in real estate because there's a slow feedback loop. Another reason I wrote this book for new real estate investors is because it teaches you the importance of creating systems and the importance of creating copy and paste systems that you can allow anyone to use. Because when you get my book, you'll realize that everything I have is a copy and paste system. The offers you give to the sellers is copy and paste. When you run the ad, it's copy and paste. Everything's done for you so anyone can do it. In conclusion, as you can see, learning how to flip bicycles is the best way to start in real estate. Doesn't matter if you're trying to do fix and flips, you want to be a landlord, you want to do Airbnb, you want to do wholesaling, because all these skills are being taught by me in my book in the new flip. The most important part is that you don't have to get into debt. You don't have to risk hundreds and thousands of dollars. All you need to risk is just $100. And then you're able to take this $100 and 3x it, 7x it very, very fast in warp speed if you follow the instructions in my book. I have a proven system. It has worked for me. It has worked for hundreds of other students, not only in America, but in Canada, in Great Britain, and I'm confident that it'll work for you if you work the system. Now, if the system will not work, if you just buy it and don't do nothing with it, okay? I just want to be honest with you. It works only if you work. Thank you so much for clicking the like button. And I forgot to mention, when you get the book, I am so confident that it's going to work for you, and I stand behind my work, is that I'm going to give you free coaching, and I'll be there to answer every and all your questions because I believe in my stuff, and I want you to succeed. Peace.